Astronomy Club Kiosk has you working with menus and multiple forms. And so you're going to start with the main form with one graphic. I'm going to provide the graphics for you in a zip file for this form and for the 9 different planets. And then the menu system with file as the first menu and exit as the lone menu item. But then under the planets menu, we have each of the 9 different planets of our solar system. And yes, I'm old school. I still think of Pluto as a planet. Notice that there are key mnemonics here. So I can come and choose a planet. And these are all modal forms. I can't come back and click on my main form until I close my planet form. But I can also access the planets by pressing the Alt key and the letter P for the planet menu. And then I can just press say S for Saturn. Again, Alt P, and let's do V for Venus. And you'll notice that for Mercury, I use Y because we already used the M for Mars. So if I simply press a Y, I get Mercury. Then the Help menu has an About menu item. It brings up a dialog box, a message box that shows the name of the project, the version number, and the developer. This project is derived from our author Tony Gaddis in his Visual Basic book. I liked the idea that he presented there. I've made a few slight modifications and provided the graphics and have you offset the forms on top of the main form. And you've seen how to do that in the previous videos. There are details about this assignment in the assignments area of our Canvas course site, including a PDF. It's basically the same information as I have in the Canvas. It's a little bit nicer format, perhaps. In the assignments area, I do provide you all of the information in terms of each of the planets, the type of planet it is, the average distance, the mass, and the surface temperature. And those are the 4 things that you are displaying in each of the planet forms. One little tip here, as you set the offset for each planet form to cover up the graphic of the main form, make sure you also set the start position of that form to manual. And then the images are located in this zip file. You can click that to download it and then extract it. And you'll end up with a folder that contains the solar system mainframe graphic and then the graphics for the 9 different planets. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the C# Xamarin Programming Cohort playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos that I create, you can click my picture up in the top right and subscribe to the channel.